Welcome to Emela Online tutorial. Now before us today, we'll be looking at the metric conversion. And under metric conversion, we'll focus our attention on lengths. And the main purpose of this video is to help us understand the relationship between the metric system in length. Okay, now number one here, we have 1 kilometer, which is equals to 1000 meter. Now why is it so? Now the reason why it is so is because K here is kilo and the metric value of kilo here is 1000. Okay, so which implies that 1 kilometer is 1000 times a meter. Okay, now the next one here is H here is hecto, and hecto here is 100. That is the value. Okay, so which implies that 1 hectometer is 100 times a meter. All right, now the next one here is 1 decameter, so which implies that this dA, which is deca, is 10. So the value or the metric value of deca is 10, which also implies that 1 decameter is 10 times a meter. I hope that's clear. All right, now the next one here is 1 decimeter. So this D, which is actually, so all these are actually the prefix. All right, so this is this deci, and this deci here is 1 all over 10 of a meter. So, and in terms of decimal, it is 0.1. All right, so which means 1 decimeter is 1 over 10 of a meter. Now the next one here is centimeter. Now this C here implies centimeter. Now, and our centimeter here implies, or the value is 1 all over 100. Okay, this is in fraction. Now in decimal is 0.01. You might be asking, how do I convert 1 over 100 to decimal? Since you have 2 zeros, just count 2 turns to the left, 1 and 2, and the same thing with this, just once. Okay, all right, now here you have your millimeter. Okay, and M here implies milli, and this milli here just tells you, or the value is 1 all over 1000 of a meter. And converting it to decimal, this will give us, since you have 1, 2, 3 zeros, you have 1, 2 and 3. So here you have 0.001. Okay, so these are the relationship between the kilometer and a meter, hectometer and meter, decameter and meter, decimeter and meter, centimeter and meter, millimeter and meter. I hope this gives you the basic concept of what metric conversion in length. Thank you and God bless you.